Hi, my name is Saki, and today we will be unboxing the Juniper Network's EX4100-F-12P. The EX4100-F-12P PoE Plus Ethernet switch is purpose-built for and managed by the cloud. It offers a secure, cloud-ready, economical solution for access layer deployments in branch and remote offices as well as enterprise campus networks. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Here, you have your link to the online quick startup guide. This is the switch itself, which we will look at later. It also comes with a country-specific power code and external power adapter. There's nothing else in the box. Let's have a closer look at the switch. On the front, you will find a label claim code and a QR code. You can use the claim code to manually claim the Juniper switch in the Juniper Mist dashboard. Or you can claim the switch using the Mist AI mobile app by scanning the QR code. 12 1GB PoE Plus ports and 4 10GB SFP Plus ports used for stacking and/or fiber uplinks. LED status lights and mode selector button, and followed by the USB Type-C console port. At the back, you will find the standard RJ45 console port and dedicated out-of-band management port, USB port, followed by 2 multi-gig ports capable of 1, 2.5, 5, and 10 gig for stacking or Ethernet uplinks. These ports can also be used to power the switch by connecting it to an external 90-watt power source when the power adapter is not available. With an external power adapter and both uplink ports connected to 90-watt external power sources, the switch can support a total PoE power budget of 300 watts. Here's the power input that you connect your external power adapter to. At the top of the switch, you will find some large passive heat sink for passive cooling, and on the side of the switch as well. Also, on the left-hand side, you will find a label with the serial number and MAC address. And there you have it. For more information, check out the library at ainetworking.club. And please click like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest content. Thank you for watching.